Good morning, Happy New Year. This is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another ASL tutorial. Today we're going to focus on the letter C. And I'm going to give you 3 words instead of 2, okay? So, C, very simple. C. Just cup your hand like you're holding a glass or a cup. C. 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 That's the letter C. Okay? First word we're going to learn is cut. With your V to the side, just cut. Cut. Go across your body and just snip. Cut. Okay? And what most of us do here, point your finger and you crochet. Look like an X and crochet. Okay, just wiggle your finger across your forefinger. So crochet. Okay, and the last word we're going to learn, because we deal with so many of these beautiful things, and they are colors. So the number 5, which we'll go into this later, but you just put that on your chin and wiggle your fingers. Color. Color. Okay? So again, we have the letter C. Cut. Crochet. Color. Practice. We're going to have a quiz soon. But I'll see you again on these ASL streets. Peace out, everybody. Don't forget, love yourself. That is the greatest love of all. And you can't love others the way they deserve to be loved if you don't love yourself the way you deserve to be loved. And you deserve the best. I love you. Again, Happy New Year.